This screencast is to show the mechanism of reaction of HBr with an alkene. The first step in the reaction is the pi bond in the alkene attacks the positive end of the HBr molecule, protonating the alkene, giving us a carbocation and a bromide ion. The bromide ion can then attack the carbocation from the front, or it can attack the carbocation from the back. And these two different attacks lead to two different stereoisomers. Here's the product from attack in the back. Here is the product from the attack in the front. And these two products are enantiomers. And so the product mixture is optically inactive.